So we have a 2014 Nissan Qashqai, and I've had the same issues with most of these Qashqais, and same with X-Trails, Nissan Jukes. So when you have a squeaky, like rubbing noise, something like rubbing on the rubber, right, and it does get irritating. So it's not mechanically dangerous. So what happens is, it's a 16mm bolt, comes out, that will slot out. Make sure that steering column's all the way out, then that will just slot out. Then you take this rubber boot off, it just pops off with the flathead. So what happens is, in here you have grease, and when you have crap like this getting here, you can see here the grease has dried out. So there you go, so all that's dried out. So what I'm going to do, clean that roll up, clean that bit up, put a bit more grease in there, multi-purpose grease, and put a bit more grease in here. And the grease that I am going to use will be this one here, that stuff. So hopefully that should hold it in for a bit more, well, probably a few months, a year probably. But realistically, if you don't do a proper job, just buy a brand new seal. And yeah, that should sort your issue out. Let's clean this up. So this is after greasing it up. Took the blue ring out, pops off easily, greased it all up, greased that bit as well down there, hard to see. So that's all greased up, and I'm going to put this boot back on, and hopefully that sorts the issue out. Even though there's a slight dent there, that doesn't come out. Best thing, replace this. So what I've done now is put it back together. The cover's just left to go. Now if you look there, I put extra grease in there, so when you turn it, it's more lubricated. I'm going to put a bit more behind there, just behind there, then I can put the cover back on. But hopefully this should keep it lubricated for time being.